Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. My name is Asuiki Kingsley. Someone asked me a question and the person was like, how can he or she get his referral code on KuCoin application? Which is what I'm going to show you in this video. If this is your first time of being to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscription button and also the bell button. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your referral code on KuCoin. So let's go over to KuCoin. Let me show you how you can get your referral code. Once you open KuCoin, go to more. Once you get to more, scroll down and go to finance. You can see this is home page. The second one is asset. Third one is trade. Once you get to finance, this is your referral code. Click on it. Once you click on your referral code, this app will bring out a link that you can copy and use it to invite your friends and earn rewards. So as you can see, this is a referral link. Once you click on it, copy it, and this is your referral code. So this is how you can get your referral code on KuCoin application. If this is your very first time of being to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscription button. If you have any question, don't hesitate to drop your question in the comment section below this video or any video that you've watched on my channel and you want to ask a question. Please drop your question and don't forget to hit the like button so that other people can be able to see this video as well. I'll see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.